In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can close apps here on a Mac. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. There's a few different methods in order to go ahead and do this. I'm going to show you all three. And for this guide, we're going to be using Google Chrome as an example. So as you can see, Google Chrome is currently open. You could look on my dock and see that there's this little dot right here indicating that it is open. If you want to close an app, one of the best methods is just by going on this dock and right clicking on that app or two finger clicking on the app and hitting quit just like so. This will go ahead and close that app. However, this is not the only way to do this. What you can also do, and let's just say the app isn't closing normally after trying to do this, but you could also just do this in general. You just got to hit Command, Option, and Escape, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. From here, select whatever app you're trying to quit, hit the app, and then hit Force Quit, and you're good to go. However, once again, this is not the only option to do. So you can also hit Command and Space to bring up Spotlight Search, type in Activity Monitor, and hit Enter. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is go up to the top right and search for the app. And then after you search for the app, find it on this list, select it, and hit this little stop sign X button right here, and you're good to go. That'll go ahead and close that app as well. That is the main ways to close apps here on a Mac. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.